I want to show you how you can tie threads on and pull them through the serger. Now this is normally done when we don't have such an easy way of threading, like on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air S400, because if I'm changing threads, I can just clip them and then rethread them, pop them back down here. But if you want to just kind of know, and then if you ever get where you tie some things on, even decorative threads, you do need to tie on because they don't always want to get forced with the air through it. So you leave thread on here, tie it on, and pull it through. So the first thing I do is I lift up the presser foot and give it a pull. That's super easy when the presser foot has released all the tensions. And I'm just going to cut that chain off. And there's one extra thread that comes out. It looks like there's some bonus thread, so now it's clear. So usually when I want to tie on to a thread, I don't want to cut too close to the first guide. I'm going to cut way back here next to the spool. And I'll just use this same thread, and I'm going to tie this on so you can see. So the best knot to use is actually when you bring both the ends together. You can see them hanging, dangling there, and tie them like you're tying a balloon, which is just an overhand knot. And if you want, you can trim off the excess tails, maybe ½ inch or so away from the knot, and then just find the thread that you actually did the tying on to, and then just as you pull, just watch to make sure that it doesn't get cut. Like right now it's kind of caught underneath this guide, so I'm going to help it through just by giving it a little release here. Now I can feel it's in here, just give it a little tug. There goes the knot. It went all the way through, and now it's already out. So you can tie all the threads on and pull them through just like that. The only thing is the knots don't go through your needles, so you can pull them through, stop at the needles, cut off the knots, and then use your wonderful needle threader on the side of the machine. Remember, you have to line up the hand wheel so the marks match for the needle threader to work. And that's how easy it is to tie threads on, especially if you're using decorative threads.